guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited for this video because it's going to be a clean with me and I am obsessed with watching these. A lot of my fellow YouTubers that I watch have been putting these out and I just can't stop watching them. I put them on my own TV when I'm cleaning my own house because I need all the inspo, and it's just so relaxing, and I thought it'd be fun to do one as well for you guys. So today I'm going to be taking you guys with me cleaning my kitchen and my living room, and if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments so I know that I could do more and I could open it up to more spaces in my house, so like dining room, bedroom, whatever you guys want to see, I can definitely do that, but just let me know in the comments. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this clean with me video. First things first, I tend to empty the dishwasher and then probably rearrange some stuff because my husband did this last night and he put the mug in the wrong spot. So I typically start by unloading the dishwasher just because I run the dishwasher the night before, so that makes sense to unload it, and then I will load it and you guys will see me load it in a few minutes. And voila, I am loading the dishwasher, and I like to rinse my cups and dishes just in case it has any like gunk or food in there, and I won't have to clean it out from the dishwasher because I used to do that and it is not fun. And as I mentioned before, I don't load it up until the night because I'm going to be cooking dinner and I'm going to be loading stuff up there eventually. So now I'm just putting some stuff away, cookie sheets that I had before, and HelloFresh recipe, and then I'm going to be cleaning the counters with my little Clorox wipes. And I love these things. These are so easy. You just, use it on any surface or the surface that stay in the back. I do it for my counters, I do it for my table, and you just use it and toss it away. The last thing to do is just put away the recyclables, and we are done in the kitchen. Moving on to the living room, I'm just going to be picking up some of the items that we might have left behind, like my computer, and then rearranging the pillows again to the rightful spot, all the cushions, putting away my husband's gamer headphones and controllers. Let me know if your husband is also obsessed with Fortnite because mine is obsessed. And just going to be rearranging stuff on the coffee table and folding up our throw blanket, which I love. This throw blanket is the softest thing ever. Here comes the mailman, and here comes my dog. And I'm so sorry, you guys, for the lighting in these clips. I definitely need to work out something here so you guys can see me a little better, but I was just picking up our shoes and fluffing our dog's bed, and this is how our living room looks like. I'm so sorry that I didn't share with you guys my vacuum routine and sweeping just because I did that previously to filming this video, but I will definitely do that next time. And that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment so I know I can do more videos like this. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye guys. I feel like